Welcome back everybody into another daily recap. As you can see, today is the 22nd of August, it's a Monday, and what we're looking at is, of course, what happened during New York today. So what you can see is that the price action did not make anything exceptional, and is more than from the London session that the price made its way down 150 pips in continuation of last week bearish trend. As you can see, from the 1770s, basically from the 1800, the price has been bearish all along, and we were approaching today the New York session with two main areas. So I had the supply, this intraday supply, which was based on this last high on the during London session, and I had this demand area based on the 15-minute. Since we are in a very low level that we didn't reach in a long time, let me just go back. It was the beginning of July, the end of July, when we had the first approach to these levels, and these were my sort of PSAs. It doesn't really match too much, but that's what I had as a level, and even lower than that, but price of course never reached. So what happened was quite interesting in the beginning of the session. Let me just pause a second. Okay, I'm back. So as you can see, this one was the high, the rejection high that was identified during the London, so as a possible supply area. As you can see, during New York, the beginning of New York, which was around here, price, yes, went below. This demand area is not quite a demand area, as I showed you here on the 15-minute. It can also be quite, I don't know, make a misunderstanding, because it was not really accurate. So I should have probably made like, okay, this level, the previous lows, and blah, blah, blah. So as you can see, that's where the reaction were made. But what sort of put me off was, okay, where is this rejection coming from? Why the price, and this is something that I looked afterwards, why is this level, from this random level, price going all the way back up with the new 4-hour that was opening, and the area was not respected. This level was a previous resistance and was not respected. What is coming from this level? So I said, okay, I don't know where it is coming from. I don't know what is happening. So let me just go and check out. So what I did was, okay, let me place an horizontal line here, red, so I know I'm not getting confused, and see what happened in the past at this level, because something has to happen if today we have this rejection. So I see that now here nothing happened. Probably if I go on the 1 minute, something would have happened as well. But I see that, okay, you see, multiple rejections. Look at the price sensitivity, the sensitivity of gold at this price level. So as I was saying, there's a lot of rejections happening at that level. Look here, look this level, how strong it reacted. So of course today can't really be, I mean, I can't place a demand area over there. Maybe if I jump back on the 5 minute, let's see if we have some reaction. I'm sorry that I'm doing it live, but 2nd of August, we're almost there. Okay, so that's where I think this one was CPI or something, or FMC. That's where we had some reaction. Probably even on the 1 minute we had something happening here. But I mean, I don't know if that, I mean, you see, this was my demand area, not here in the middle of everything. Let me go back on the 1 minute. So on the 1 minute we had this reaction at this level. You can see the confirmation is the same level that was respected on the dot, and that's where during this big event, I don't remember which one was it, the price reacted, but I wouldn't say that it's a PSA to take into consideration. But anyway, what I wanted to say is that that's where the price reacted, and I didn't see it live, and I saw afterwards when I saw that the price was moving so much liquidity. But when the price was approaching this level, at first I had this idea, okay, we have this PSA on the left hand side where the price can get a rejection if we have the confirmation, or this supply area for sells, and that's where exactly what happened. Here we could have taken a loss, yes, but this entry absolutely nice, 60 pips from supply to down. I mean, this is also after New York Stock Exchange. This one was happening, the reaction here was happening at New York Stock Exchange, so with the possible pullback, possible top wick being created, and this is the 60 pip move. What I can see is that so this was my main trade idea of the day that I analyzed. Afterwards, there was not much. I saw that price bounce from a level. I did not have this level charted up, but as you can see, also something that I've been talking about lately is about the Fibonacci / the retracement overall. So this movement, this is the bullish movement from demand to supply. The pullback is happening at our PSA, which is basically 60%, 50, probably is the exactly in the 618 level. That's the retracement for further continuation up. As you can see also down, the timing is perfect because that's when the pullback before the 10 a.m. candle ends, the new candle opens, makes a lower wick. This is the candle open, fails to break below the order block low highs and the previous level of interest, and it moves and it makes its way upwards. At least that's where you want to scalp, that at least to your previous level, which is 50 pips if you enter at the candle close. And again, same idea. Okay, where is this the retracement of this is the last impulse move that made a new higher high, and that's reacting at 50% of the move, exactly 50%, to give you other 40 pips scalp all the way back to supply. After that, you see that the price, of course, the volume is going down because it's getting late, but the supply area is respected. Price is failing to make new higher highs. We are approaching another supply area, and of course now the what's the word? The volume is dying down, and that's basically it. But this is a very interesting thing to watch, the fact that, okay, where is this price reacting? So place a horizontal line and just go on the left. Just go to the left, something you will find, because price doesn't react randomly. And look at how many times the price had this strong reaction over there. So this is it for today. I didn't take any trade. It's a Monday. I don't like risking it for the biscuit, and I'm not always I'm basically never in a good mood for trading on a Monday, and I don't like it like this. I like it more like this. And so yes, the week is young. We will have some reports this week, so I hope you guys enjoyed this, recap, and I'll see you tomorrow.